All right, y'all, we got some friends and family in the house today. They say coffee can bring out extra flavor with chocolate. Today, we're gonna find out. We're also gonna find out, is a kid approved? Don't know, but let's go. All right, y'all, we just got done tasting these brownies. I tell you what, watch this video to the end. We did not expect this result. All right, y'all, here's what we got for today. They say coffee can enhance the flavor of chocolate. Now, I don't know about you, but I love a super rich, decadent, extra chocolatey brownie. Does coffee belong in a brownie? I have no idea, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna get everything prepped up and ready to roll. Let's go. All right, you guys, I got everything prepped up and ready to roll. We're gonna mix our wet ingredients first. First up, butter. Now this is 1 cup of melted butter. All right, next up, sugar. Now this is 1 cup of granulated sugar. Just like that. Next up, 1 cup brown sugar. All right, 4 eggs. Look at the color of the yolks. Delicious. All right, and 1 tablespoon of coffee. Now you can use instant coffee, I would assume. Make a cup of coffee, enjoy the rest for yourself. I decided to go with the espresso. Might as well have a little treat for the baker, yeah? Oh man, that's good. Woo. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and add the vanilla, 2 teaspoons. All right, now that we got all of our wet ingredients, we're gonna whisk on high until it becomes lighter in color and a smoother texture. Show you what that looks like next. All right, you guys, just like that. You'll notice how nice and smooth the consistency is. Exactly what we're looking for. All right, let's go ahead and get the dry ingredients combined, yeah? All right, first up, 1 cup of flour. Next up, we're going to add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Next up, a little bit of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon. As well as a little bit of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon. All we're doing here is just getting everything evenly incorporated. You have to do this? Probably not. All right, all we need to do now is combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and get it on high, whisk all together, and then I'll show you what's next. Be right back. All right, you guys, we got everything well incorporated here. Now I'm gonna show you a tip or trick that 1 is super delicious and 2 keeps your brownies from sticking to the pan. Pretty simple. 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're just gonna smear this all around the pan. And make sure you get the edges. All right, I could have used 2 tablespoons. All right, you guys, now that we got the pan buttered, take some sugar, just like that. And all we're gonna do is shake the pan around to get the sugar evenly coated with the butter. All right, guys, just like that. Go ahead and get the brownie mix added in. All right, you guys, just like that. We're ready to bake 325 degrees for about 20 to 28 minutes. Use a toothpick and see if it comes out dry. If it does, they're done. Check it out. All right, y'all. These brownies look out of this world. I tell you what, we're gonna find out if coffee belongs in a brownie after all. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, y'all, let's give it a try. Oh man, this is so dense. Yum.
Just feeling it right off the bat, you know what you're getting yourself into.
100%. Cheers. Wow. Oh, man. Dude, that's killer.
Great.
Holy cow. Ooh, buddy. We got ourselves a pretty darn good brownie here. Can you taste the coffee?
I taste the roast, and I think that to me is the important part of it, is that you don't get a lot of the coffee flavor. So if you don't really like coffee, but you get that roast, and I think it adds to the chocolate.
100%.
Right.
That's exactly right. Well, ladies and gents, they're right. Adding the coffee did push forward the chocolate notes to an extreme. This is delicious. Oh, buddy. All right, y'all. Well, make this one. Add a little coffee to your brownie recipe. See what it does. It's fantastic. Till next time, ciao. All right, Coco, go ahead, pick out a brownie, take a bite.
It's 9.
18 out of 90?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Ooh, is that bussin'?
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gents. 18 out of 90. At the end of the day, it's kid approved. You cannot tell that coffee's in there, but it is super chocolatey. Until next time, ciao.
Peace out, Team Cook.
Peace out. Yeah.
Peace out. All right, y'all, we got some friends and family in the house today. They say coffee can bring out extra flavor with chocolate. Today, we're going to find out. We're also going to find out, is it kid approved? Don't know, but let's go.
Yes, it is.
There you go. There you go.